Hello guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to Surreal Stories. Another beautiful day here in Boracay, and today is one of the things we've really been looking forward to. Finally, we're going island hopping, snorkeling, and parasailing. Boracay is already beautiful from the beach, but today we're going to see it from different perspective, out in the ocean as we explore some of the nearby islands. I'm really excited to see the views, enjoy the ride, and experience more of what Boracay has to offer. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami as we enjoy the ride and turns today's adventures into another story.
Daan na ba kayo? Daan na ba kayo? Daan ba kayo? Handa ka na ba? Ganda. Handa ka na ba, Judy? No, kuya!
Feet in the sand, ooh, so free. Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun.
Si Kuya kumakain ng tinapay natin eh. Oh, tinapay. Ang sarap ng tinapay. Si Kuya kumakain ng tinapay na pinapakain sa ano.
Sipping on cool drinks, ocean's near, so near, so near.
Ano dugo? Huwag mo ano. Okay, dali ang dami sa ilalim.
No worries here. Laughs are shining, everyone. We're alive on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun. Ooh, the stars come out, sparkling bliss. A night like
Matagpikti ka na naman kayo dyan.
nothing will miss. Hearts are glowing, oh, we've won. Lost in love on the island in the sun.
Tinawagan yung kahong ko.
Ahong pala ka ng isda. Ano ulit?
Dance, dance under the sky. Oh yeah, feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun.
Okay. Teka lang, wala pa sila. Tingnan mo, mukhang tanga, oh. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That was really fun. Ang linaw ng tubig at ang daming isda na makikita underwater. May dala din sila kuya na tinapay so we could feed the fish. And once you start feeding them, bigla talagang dumadami yung isda sa paligid mo. Ang nangyari lang, naubos agad yung tinapay kasi kinakain pala ng kuya ko. But anyway, we really had a blast. It's definitely something I would recommend if you're doing island hopping here in Boracay. Now we're heading to our next stop, Puka Beach. Pagdating namin sa Puka Beach, ang chill ng vibe, tahimik, hindi masyadong crowded, tapos ang ganda ng paligid. Syempre, pagdating namin, picture agad, sinulit na namin yung ganda ng view. Tapos nag-avail din kami ng clear kayak photos. Ang ganda ng kinalabasan, super aesthetic lalo na sa clear water, kaya it's definitely worth it. Hindi namin napansin yung oras. Na-enjoy namin masyado mag-picture kahit pare-pareho lang naman. So we had to cut our island hopping short para habulin yung next activity namin, which is parasailing sa sunset.
Mama ka. Tuwa-tuwa ka dyan ah.
So we headed back to their floating station. Dito kami susunduin for parasailing.
Nanay ko po! Nanay ko po! Nanay ko po! Kasi pating! Ang laki ng pating! May pating! No! Ang inagyan! Nanay ko po! Ang taas na namin! Minutes kaming nakaganito. Si Emo na gusto mo, Nay, nanay ko po. Nanay ko po. Nanay ko po. Ayun din namin to. Ayan na, inangat palalo. Inangat palalo. Uy, tama na. Mataas pa nga yun, oh. Uy, tama na yan! Ay, Gino. Mga kamag-anak ko dyan sa Dubai. Tsaka yung nasa mga, ano dyan, Pilipinas. Andito kami ngayon, lumilipad. Papunta kaming Dubai ngayon. Hindi na kami punta dyan, tsaka hindi ko nakatangay. Ganito pala yung piling ng ibon. Ito pala yung mga ibon pag lumilipad. Buti wala silang lula. Naiihina ako. Uy. Uy. Amin naman, uy. Nagtahulog yung GoPro. Hinahatak ng itang. Parang nagugustuhan ko na eh. Huwag na. Wala si Joby. Sigaw-sigaw. What po? Picture daw.
taas na nga, sobre!
Oo, sobra. Yan, nagyaman.
Puro ka ganyan, kanina pa nasa taas.
Baliw, hindi mo naramdaman yun, tanda nang iniida. Bukakay, 2022. Kasama ko, pagtakotin. Grabe guys, oh, ang taas dito guys, oh. Grabe, tignan mo, doon kami galing. Taas! Tapos yung kasama ko, takot na takot. So, windmill guys. Pababa na kami ng pababa. Sayang, gusto ko pa naman mga one-hour dito kasi yung kasama ko, matatakot din eh. One-hour yung gusto ko. Grabe. Isa lang sa buhay natin to kaya sulitin natin. Woo! Sarap na. Okay na, dumidilat na siya. Ay, nabababa na tayo. Guys. Oh guys, oh, ilulog na pinita guys, oh. Grabe, ang lalim na itong dagat. Ito nasa gitna kami ng dagat guys. Grabe. Sobrang layo. Hey guys, mga guys. Tapos na ang pinakamasaysayan. Baliw siya yung pinahatak. Ayun. Guys, ilulunod tayo yan. Mga demonita yung mga... Ayun na guys, ilulunod na tayo guys. Ayun na guys, ilulunod na tayo guys. Woo!
Sarap umihi, putang ina. Umihi pa ako eh!
So, paano na? Nakapikit lang, bong ano?
Look up at the clear blue sky. The wind blows into my heart. The autumn leaves speak vividly. Preparing for the day. Street trees play music. The fallen leaves beneath my feet are dancing. I suddenly stopped at an intersection. Feel the rhythm of life.
May takot ka sa heights, nakakatakot.
Sky, beautiful contrast of colors.
Super worth it. Dapat itry nyo talaga to. Grabe.
My heart,
Grabe, napakaganda. Sobrang ganda. Pwede ko lalagyan tayo. Edit na ganda na ako. Oh my God. Ang ganda lang talaga ng view. Yung takot mo nagmi-mix sa ganda ng view at saka yung pakiramdam na ang taas-taas mo. Super taas talaga. Tingnan mo naman yung bangka. Tingnan nyo, ang taas. Tapos ayan yung view. Grabe, napakaganda, diba? Ang ganda ng view, oh.
same sky, dreaming of the future. In the repeating days, the little happiness I missed, the clear autumn.
Diba?
Important things you can teach.
Super sulit to guys. Highly recommended pag nag-Boracay kayo. Gawin nyo to talaga.
Ang saya dito!
Hope that spreads my
Ayoko na bumaba!
heart. Let's take a new step.
Sasabog pa sila sa huli. Yan na. Yay, guys! Sila kuya, highly recommended. Try nyo yung service nila. Super the best. Yeah, Dana! Oh my God, yung pan. Kumusta? Kumusta? Ang sarap, ang galing.
Grabe yun. Parasailing was such a crazy but unforgettable experience for us. Nakakatakot siya, but those are the moments that turn into the best memories. Now we're heading back to the hotel to change and recharge. Dinner naman next.
Hey, when you feel it, makes you feel good, can turn a bad day to the better, and make you feel good. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dancing to an incredible beat, hanging with your friends is all that you need. If you like the way it makes you feel, if you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel, yeah, if you love the way it makes you feel, put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah.
Do you want eat? Yes, I eat.
Salamat kuya.